Hello, friends! Welcome. Pontoon boats occupy a unique space in recreational boating, offering stability, space. In this review, I compare 5 diverse pontoon-related products spanning inflatable expedition boats, foldable modular options, a nautical ornament, a value-focused inflatable, and a cleaning accessory that complements pontoon maintenance. Product number 1. Sea Eagle 285 Frameless Inflatable 9-Foot Pontoon Fishing Boat. One person, lightweight. The Sea Eagle 285 FPB Frameless Pro Package represents a compact, one-person inflatable pontoon with a floating U-hull design intended for stability and expansive fishing space. It emphasizes portability, with a setup time of about 5 minutes and no rigid frame, allowing it to be car trunk friendly and highly adaptable to shallow or remote water bodies. Its 3 large air chambers, plus a minimal draft of around 4 inches, enhance buoyancy and safety, while the frameless construction reduces weight and simplifies storage. The Pro package adds a hull, swivel seat with 7-inch pedestal, motor mount, oar set, Scotty rad holders, bag, pump, and a multi-year warranty, signaling a ready-to-go, ready-to-fish solution. Product number 2. Fishing Boat. The Artigree P1 Pro is a folding, modular pontoon-style dinghy designed for car trunk storage and quick assembly, emphasizing durability with industrial PE material and a 3D hull. It accommodates 2 to 6 people depending on configuration and supports both electric and fuel-powered outboard motors. Its design integrates a built-in fish box, multiple rod holders, and adjustable seat boards aimed at optimizing fishing position. This model targets multi-user environments, families or groups where transportability and modularity are as important as raw performance. In use, the P1 Pro stands out for its modularity and load-bearing capability, with a stated weight limit of 1,102 pounds. The quick 12-minute assembly without tools and trunk-friendly dimensions make it compelling for those who frequently travel to water bodies away from home. Product number 3. Pontoon Boat Christmas Tree Ornament A0581. The Kurt S. Adler Pontoon Boat Christmas Tree Ornament is a decorative piece made of resin with painted detailing to evoke a miniature pontoon vessel. It features a white hull with light blue and brown accents and includes a steering wheel and seating details. While not a functional boat, it appeals to boating enthusiasts seeking nostalgic or nautical-themed decor for holidays or display. Beyond aesthetics, this ornament offers a tactile, collectible bonus for enthusiasts who enjoy giftable, tasteful nautical accents. Its compact size, 3 by 1.25 by 1.75 inches, and lightweight construction make it simple to hang on a tree or display in a cabinet. Potential buyers should consider this as a decor item rather than a recreation-ready craft, recognizing its resin composition and finish durability in display environments. Product number 4. Intex Explorer Inflatable Boat Series, dual air chambers, welded oar locks, grab handles, bow rope, sporty design. The Intex Explorer 200 is a compact, inflatable 2-person boat with welded oar locks, dual air chambers, and a repair patch. It emphasizes value and accessibility, offering a safe, basic inflatable option suitable for calm lakes or ponds. With a maximum occupancy of 2 and a listed weight limit of 210 pounds, this model is designed for light-duty recreational use and easy storage, making it a practical starter option for families or casual paddlers. In practice, the Explorer 200 delivers predictable performance for short trips and easy transport. The dual air chambers speed up inflation and enhance buoyancy, while welded oar locks improve row efficiency. The included repair patch provides a straightforward path to extend life. Product number 5, Premium Boat Scuff Erasers. The Better Boat Premium Boat Scuff Erasers are specialized cleaning sponges designed to remove marks, dirt, grease, salt, mud, and scuffs from boat decks, consoles, hulls, and seats. They activate with water and are free from harsh chemicals, making them safe for a range of materials, including fiberglass, vinyl, and gel coat. The 3-pack provides a reinforced core for durability and is positioned as a practical maintenance tool for pontoon owners who want to keep surfaces looking fresh without abrasive cleaners. In use, these sponges deliver a quick, forgiving cleaning experience that reduces the need for harsher solvents. They are particularly effective on non-porous surfaces and can help maintain resale value by removing scuffs from deck areas and vinyl seats. However, their effectiveness on deeply embedded stains or heavy damage is limited.